We are pleased to show you the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.